Hello all, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss some important aptitude problems. So let's get started. The first question is from partnership. A, B, and C started a business by investing 36,000 rupees, 42,400, and 28,800. If at the end of the year C got 9,900 as his share of annual profit, then what is the total annual profit? Here we have given the C's profit and we were asked to find out the total annual profit. So let's get started with answer. A invested 360, B invested 424, C invested 288. With cancellation with 4 we get 4 90s, 4 106, 4 72s. Again cancellation with 2 we get 245s, 253s, 236. Here the 36 parts value is equal to 9,900. Now what is the total parts? Total parts is 45 plus 53 plus 36. That gives 134 parts. For 134 parts, we have to find out the value. 134 by 36 into 9,900. Here 9,900 is a 11 multiple. So among all the options, there is only one option which is 11 multiple, that is 36,850. Hope you understood this problem. Let's move to the second question. A number when divided by 108 leaves a remainder of 79. What would be the remainder if the same number is divided by 18? Here in this kind of problems we have to see two things. One is previous remainder and the another is divisor of 18. That means we were given the previous remainder, the old remainder, and we were given the divisor. Now we were asked to find out the new remainder. When old remainder is given and divisor is given and asked to find out the new remainder means new remainder, there is a formula. New remainder equal to previous remainder by divisor. That is previous remainder means 79. Previous remainder is 79 and the divisor is 18. 79 by 18, 18 4 72. So 79 minus 72, 7 is the new remainder. Option A is the right answer. I repeat, when we were asked to find out the new remainder, simply do the division of previous remainder by divisor. Whatever the remainder that we get, that will be the answer. Let's move to the third question. After getting his monthly salary, Arun purchased a cell phone for 23,656 and a washing machine for 21,896. If after purchasing these two things, he is left with only 27% of his monthly salary, then what is his monthly salary? That means we were asked to find out the monthly salary, which is 100%. Here the money which is left is 27%. Out of 100%, 27% is left. That means 73% is spent. 73% is spent on cell phone and a washing machine. So 73% is equal to 23,656 plus 21,896. Now we were asked to find out the 100%, that is monthly salary. Don't solve completely, just we'll attack through units place. We were asked to find out 100%, so 100% by 73 into 23,656 plus 21,896. Here in this particular number we are having the units place as 6. In this particular washing machine cost price, 6 is the units place. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. That means units place will be the 12. With which number if we multiply to 3, we get 2. That is 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So and 4, beside to 4 there should be 2 zeros. That means 400 should be our last numbers. There is only one option which is ending with 400. That is 62,400. Option E is the right answer. Hope you understood. Let's move to the fourth question. 60 men consumes 120 kg of rice in 44 days. In how many days will 33 men consume 90 kg of rice? By following M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2 formula, we can solve this problem. M1 is 60, men are 60, D1 is 44 and W1 weight is 120 kgs. So, and M2 is 33 men, D2 days is unknown, so we consider it as X, and 90 is the W2. After all the cancellation, we will get d2, that is days 2 x equal to 60 days, which is option 5. The last question, along a straight line 1269 meters long, 48 trees are planted at equal distances, one tree being at each end of the line. What is the distance between two consecutive trees? Here we can see that these are the plants or trees, 1 2 3 4, these are the plants, and between these 1 2 3 are the distances. That means among 48 trees there will be 47 distances. We were asked to find out the value of this distance. So among 48 trees there are 47 distances. There will be 47 distances. The total straight line value is 1269 meters. When 1269 meters is divided by 47 distances, we will get the value of one distance. Don't solve completely. 7 here in the numerator the units place is 9, and then denominator the units place is 7. That means when 7 is multiplied with 7, 7 7 is 49, the 9 will appear. So our units place should be, our answer should be ending with 7. Option E, 27 meters is the right answer. That is the distance of, that is the value of one distance. I hope you all understood the 5 problems. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.